SAP CPI Online Training. SAP CPI Cloud Platform Integration is a cloud-based integration solution from SAP that connects SAP and non-SAP systems seamlessly. It enables real-time data exchange, process automation, and secure integrations across cloud and on-premise environments, making it a critical skill for modern SAP and integration professionals. SAP CPI Introduction. SAP CPI Cloud Platform Integration, now part of SAP Integration Suite, is a cloud-based integration tool used to connect SAP and non-SAP applications across cloud and on-premise environments. It enables seamless data exchange between systems like SAP S/4HANA, SuccessFactors, Ariba, Salesforce, and third-party applications using APIs and adapters. In today's digital landscape, organizations work with multiple systems, and integration plays a critical role in ensuring real-time data flow, process automation, and business continuity. SAP CPI helps companies reduce manual work, improve system efficiency, and support scalable digital transformation initiatives. With increasing adoption of SAP S/4HANA and cloud-based solutions, SAP CPI has become a highly in-demand skill for SAP consultants, integration developers, and IT professionals. Learning SAP CPI opens doors to global project opportunities and long-term career growth in SAP integration and cloud technologies. What is SAP CPI? SAP CPI, Cloud Platform Integration, is a cloud-based integration service provided by SAP that enables seamless connectivity between SAP and non-SAP applications across diverse IT landscapes. As part of the SAP Integration Suite on SAP Business Technology Platform, BTP, SAP CPI plays a critical role in helping organizations connect cloud-based, on-premise, and hybrid systems efficiently and securely. In modern enterprises, data is distributed across multiple applications such as SAP S/4HANA, SAP SuccessFactors, SAP Ariba, Salesforce, and various third-party platforms. SAP CPI allows these systems to communicate with each other through standardized integration technologies such as APIs, adapters, and integration flows, iFlows. These iFlows define how data is routed, transformed, validated, and delivered between sender and receiver systems. SAP CPI supports a wide range of adapters including HTTP, REST, SOAP, OData, SFTP, IDOC, and RFC, enabling flexible integration scenarios. It also offers powerful message mapping, transformation, and routing capabilities, along with built-in security features like OAuth, certificates, and role-based access control to ensure secure data exchange. One of the key advantages of SAP CPI is real-time integration, which helps organizations automate business processes, reduce manual intervention, and improve data accuracy. With monitoring and error handling tools, SAP CPI ensures reliable and scalable integrations that support digital transformation initiatives. Due to increasing cloud adoption and SAP S/4HANA implementations, SAP CPI has become an in-demand skill for SAP consultants, integration developers, and IT professionals worldwide. Who should learn SAP CPI Online Training? SAP CPI Online Training is ideal for professionals who want to build expertise in cloud-based system integration and modern SAP landscapes. It is especially beneficial for SAP consultants working in functional or technical roles who wish to expand their skills into integration and SAP BTP technologies. Functional consultants from modules such as SAP SD, FI, or HCM can greatly enhance their profiles by learning SAP CPI, as integration plays a key role in SAP S/4HANA and cloud implementations. This training is also well-suited for middleware developers, integration architects, and IT professionals involved in application integration, data migration, or system connectivity projects. Software engineers with knowledge of APIs, web services, XML, or JSON will find SAP CPI a natural extension of their technical skill set. Fresh graduates and early career professionals with an IT background can also learn SAP CPI to enter the high-demand field of SAP integration. Additionally, professionals working on digital transformation, cloud migration, or hybrid system environments will benefit from SAP CPI Online Training, as it enables efficient connectivity between SAP and non-SAP systems. With organizations increasingly adopting cloud solutions, SAP CPI skills open doors to global project opportunities and long-term career growth in the SAP integration and SAP BTP ecosystem. What are the prerequisites for learning SAP CPI? Learning SAP CPI, Cloud Platform Integration, does not require strict prerequisites, which makes it accessible to a wide range of learners. However, having a basic understanding of SAP systems such as SAP ECC or SAP S/4HANA is helpful for better comprehension of integration scenarios. Familiarity with how SAP applications interact within enterprise environments allows learners to quickly grasp real-time business use cases and data flow concepts. A fundamental knowledge of IT concepts such as client-server architecture, system connectivity, and data exchange mechanisms is also beneficial. Understanding commonly used data formats like XML and JSON helps learners work effectively with message payloads, mappings, and transformations within SAP CPI. In addition, basic awareness of web services, particularly REST and SOAP, provides a strong foundation for working with APIs and integration endpoints. While programming experience is not mandatory, having introductory knowledge of Java or scripting concepts can be advantageous, especially when working with Groovy scripts for custom logic and complex integration requirements. Familiarity with business processes across finance, supply chain, human resources, or procurement can further enhance learning, as SAP CPI integrations often support these functional areas. Since SAP CPI is a cloud-based solution, basic exposure to cloud computing concepts is an added advantage. Overall, SAP CPI training is designed to start from the fundamentals, allowing beginners with an IT background as well as experienced SAP professionals to learn effectively and build strong integration skills for real-world projects. SAP CPI, Cloud Platform Integration, Online Training, Key Features. SAP CPI, Cloud Platform Integration, is a leading integration platform that enables seamless connectivity between cloud and on-premise applications. Our SAP CPI online training is designed to provide professionals with in-depth knowledge and hands-on experience in integrating diverse business systems efficiently. The course covers all essential features of SAP CPI, including pre-built integration content, adapters for multiple systems, and API-based connectivity. Learners will gain expertise in creating integration flows, iFlows, configuring message mapping, and handling errors to ensure smooth data exchange across platforms. A major feature of the training is its focus on real-time monitoring and analytics, helping professionals track integrations and resolve issues proactively. Participants will also learn to leverage security features, such as authentication, encryption, and secure connectivity, ensuring safe data transfer between applications. The program emphasizes hands-on exercises using SAP CPI's web-based tools, enabling learners to practice designing, deploying, and testing integrations. Additionally, the course includes modules on process integration scenarios, SAP cloud connectivity, and hybrid system management, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced SAP professionals. By the end of the training, participants will be capable of building robust integration solutions, improving business process efficiency, and preparing for SAP CPI certification. This training is ideal for IT professionals, consultants, and developers seeking to advance their careers in the growing field of cloud integration. Benefits of learning SAP CPI, Cloud Platform Integration. Learning SAP CPI opens up a wide range of opportunities for IT professionals and consultants in the field of cloud integration. One of the main benefits is the ability to connect cloud and on-premise systems seamlessly, ensuring smooth business process execution across multiple platforms. Professionals skilled in SAP CPI are highly sought after for their expertise in designing, developing, and monitoring integration flows, which helps organizations reduce operational inefficiencies and data errors. The training also equips learners with knowledge of pre-built integration content, adapters, and API-based connectivity, making them capable of handling complex integration scenarios effectively. Another key advantage is the focus on real-time monitoring, analytics, and security, enabling professionals to ensure safe, reliable, and timely data transfer across systems. Learning SAP CPI also enhances problem-solving skills, as participants become adept at troubleshooting integration issues and optimizing workflows. From a career perspective, SAP CPI expertise significantly boosts employability and earning potential, as cloud integration is critical for organizations undergoing digital transformation. Additionally, it prepares learners for SAP CPI certification, giving them a competitive edge in the global job market. Overall, mastering SAP CPI empowers professionals to deliver efficient, secure, and scalable integration solutions, making them valuable assets to any enterprise leveraging SAP's cloud ecosystem. Message mapping in SAP CPI Cloud Platform Integration. Message mapping is a core feature in SAP CPI used to transform data from a source format to a target format during integration processes. When data moves between systems, like SAP S/4HANA to Salesforce or other cloud, on-premise applications, the source and target structures often differ. Message mapping ensures that data is converted, formatted, and routed correctly to match the target system's requirements. In SAP CPI, message mapping is performed using a graphical mapping editor where you can define field-to-field mappings, functions, and expressions to manipulate the data. You can also handle complex transformations such as concatenation, splitting, conditional mapping, and looping through repeating elements. Key aspects of message mapping include source and target structures. Define the data formats for incoming and outgoing messages. Mapping functions. Apply operations like data conversion, calculations, and string manipulation. Graphical editor. Drag and drop interface to simplify mapping without extensive coding. Reusability. Mapping objects can be reused across multiple integration flows, flows, saving time and effort. Error handling. Allows validation and transformation checks to ensure data integrity. By mastering message mapping, SAP CPI users can create accurate and reliable data transformations, ensuring seamless integration between diverse applications and business processes. How SAP CPI Cloud Platform Integration works. SAP CPI is a cloud-based integration platform that connects cloud applications, on-premise systems, and third-party solutions, enabling seamless, real-time data exchange. It works through integration flows, flows, which define the source, target, and data transformation rules. Incoming messages are transformed using message mapping, content modifier, and functions to match the target system format. SAP CPI uses various adapters and protocols such as IDOC, SOAP, OData, REST, SFTP, and HTTP for connectivity between SAP and non-SAP systems. Messages are routed based on conditions with content-based routing and parallel processing, ensuring efficient integration. The platform also provides real-time monitoring, alerts, and error handling to maintain data accuracy and integrity. Security is ensured through encryption, authentication, and secure protocols, protecting sensitive business information. Overall, SAP CPI works by connecting systems, transforming and routing data, monitoring processes, and maintaining secure integration, enabling organizations to achieve efficient, scalable, and reliable business operations in the cloud. Error handling in SAP CPI Cloud Platform Integration. Error handling in SAP CPI is a critical feature that ensures smooth and reliable data integration across systems. When data moves between source and target systems, errors can occur due to incorrect data formats, connectivity issues, or system failures. SAP CPI provides robust mechanisms to detect, manage, and resolve errors efficiently, minimizing business disruption. In SAP CPI, errors are categorized into technical errors, like system connectivity issues or adapter failures, and business errors, such as invalid or missing data. The platform allows developers to implement exception handling logic within integration flows, flows, to manage these errors. Features like try-catch blocks, exception subprocesses, and error end events enable developers to catch errors and define alternative processing paths. SAP CPI also provides detailed logging and trace capabilities for error monitoring. Integration engineers can track message failures, analyze error causes, and take corrective actions. The platform supports alert notifications, which can be configured to notify the relevant stakeholders immediately when an error occurs. Additionally, SAP CPI allows reprocessing of failed messages without manual intervention, ensuring that critical business processes continue without data loss. Error handling can be combined with data validation, conditional routing, and retry mechanisms to create robust integration solutions. By effectively managing errors, SAP CPI ensures data integrity, reliability, and uninterrupted business operations, making it an essential tool for organizations implementing cloud and hybrid integrations. How long does it take to learn SAP CPI, Cloud Platform Integration? The time required to learn SAP CPI depends on your prior experience with SAP systems, integration concepts, and cloud technologies. For someone with a background in SAP modules or IT integration, it may take 4 to 6 weeks of focused training to gain a solid understanding of SAP CPI's core features, including integration flows, iFlows, message mapping, adapters, and monitoring tools. For beginners with minimal SAP knowledge, it might take 2 to 3 months to become comfortable with designing, deploying, and troubleshooting integration scenarios. Hands-on practice is crucial, as working with real integration flows, adapters, and error handling builds practical skills that theoretical learning alone cannot provide. Most SAP CPI online training programs are structured to provide a mix of theory, practical exercises, and real-time projects, which helps learners grasp concepts faster and prepares them for SAP CPI certification. Dedicating 2 to 3 hours per day consistently can significantly shorten the learning curve. Ultimately, mastering SAP CPI depends on commitment, hands-on practice, and understanding complex integration scenarios, but with structured training, professionals can become job-ready within 1 to 3 months. Career opportunities after SAP CPI, Cloud Platform Integration, Training. Learning SAP CPI opens up a wide range of career opportunities for IT professionals, consultants, and developers in the growing field of cloud integration. Organizations increasingly rely on cloud and hybrid systems, making skilled SAP CPI professionals highly in demand. After completing SAP CPI training, professionals can pursue roles such as SAP Integration Consultant, SAP CPI Developer, Integration Specialist, Technical Consultant, and SAP Cloud Architect. These roles involve designing, developing, and managing integration flows, ensuring seamless communication between SAP and non-SAP systems, and optimizing business processes. SAP CPI expertise is also valuable in industries undergoing digital transformation, such as manufacturing, retail, logistics, finance, and healthcare, where integrating multiple systems is critical for operational efficiency. Professionals can work in consulting firms, IT service providers, multinational corporations, and cloud solution providers. Additionally, mastering SAP CPI can enhance earning potential and provide opportunities for career growth into senior integration or architecture roles, including SAP Integration Lead or Cloud Solution Architect. SAP CPI certification further strengthens credibility, making candidates more competitive in the global job market. Overall, SAP CPI training equips professionals with in-demand skills, enabling them to design, implement, and maintain robust integration solutions, and pursue a rewarding and future-ready career in cloud and enterprise integration. Is SAP CPI certification useful? Yes, SAP CPI certification is highly useful for professionals aiming to build a career in cloud integration. SAP CPI, Cloud Platform Integration, is a critical tool for connecting cloud and on-premise systems, and certification validates your expertise in designing, implementing, and managing integration scenarios. Certification demonstrates that you have practical skills in iFlows, message mapping, adapters, error handling, and monitoring, which are essential for real-world integration projects. It also enhances your credibility with employers, making you stand out in a competitive job market. Professionals with SAP CPI certification are in high demand for roles like Integration Consultant, SAP CPI Developer, Technical Consultant, and Cloud Integration Specialist, particularly in organizations undergoing digital transformation or migrating to cloud systems. Moreover, certification can lead to better job opportunities, higher salaries, and faster career growth, as companies prefer certified experts for critical integration projects. It also provides a strong foundation for learning advanced SAP Cloud Platform tools and staying updated with the latest integration technologies. In summary, SAP CPI certification is not just a credential, it is a career accelerator that validates your skills, builds confidence, and opens doors to rewarding opportunities in cloud and hybrid system integration. Why choose ProExcellency for SAP CPI Online Training? Choosing the right training partner is a key step toward building a successful SAP CPI, Cloud Platform Integration, career. ProExcellency Solutions Private Limited offers a focused SAP CPI online training program designed to bridge the gap between theory and real-world integration requirements. The course covers essential SAP CPI topics such as integration flows, flows, adapters, message mapping, security, monitoring, and real-time business scenarios, helping you gain practical skills needed for today's cloud-centric environments. One of the key strengths of ProExcellency is practical, hands-on learning. You get exposure to real integration scenarios that prepare you for live projects rather than just theoretical concepts. The structured curriculum ensures you understand both basic and advanced aspects of SAP CPI, from secure connectivity to complex integration patterns. ProExcellency also focuses on flexibility and convenience, offering online training that accommodates working professionals and students. Classes are typically delivered interactively so you can ask questions, clarify doubts, and learn at your own pace. Many learners appreciate the blend of instructor-led sessions and self-paced study that fits their schedules. Additionally, ProExcellency's training includes preparation for certification and practical demos that boost confidence and readiness for real job roles. With a curriculum centered on industry needs and experiential learning, it's a career-oriented choice for anyone looking to enter or advance in the field of SAP integration. What is security in SAP CPI? Security in SAP CPI ensures that data exchanged between cloud and on-premise systems remains confidential, authentic, and tamper-proof. Since SAP CPI handles sensitive business information across multiple applications, robust security measures are essential for protecting data integrity and compliance. Key aspects of security in SAP CPI include authentication. Verifies the identity of users and systems accessing the platform. SAP CPI supports basic authentication, OAuth, SAML, and client certificates to ensure only authorized entities can access integration flows, flows. Encryption. All data transmitted via SAP CPI is encrypted using SSL, TLS protocols, protecting messages from interception or unauthorized access. Authorization and roles. SAP CPI provides role-based access control, allowing administrators to assign specific permissions for creating, editing, and monitoring integration flows, ensuring users can only perform actions relevant to their role. Secure connectivity. SAP CPI uses secure adapters and protocols, like HTTPS, SFTP, IDOC, and SOAP, to connect to SAP and non-SAP systems safely. Message level security. Sensitive data within messages can be encrypted or signed at the message level to prevent tampering and maintain confidentiality. Monitoring and auditing. SAP CPI includes tools to track user activities, monitor message processing, and log errors, providing transparency and helping detect security threats. What is message mapping in SAP CPI? Message mapping in SAP CPI is a process used to transform data from a source structure to a target structure during system integrations. When data moves between applications, such as SAP S/4HANA, SuccessFactors, or third-party systems, the source and target formats often differ. Message mapping ensures that the data is converted, formatted, and delivered accurately to the target system. In SAP CPI, message mapping is typically done using a graphical mapping editor, where developers can define field-to-field mappings, apply functions, and implement expressions for data transformation. This includes operations like concatenation, splitting, conditional mapping, looping through repeating elements, and applying custom logic to meet target system requirements. Key features of message mapping include source and target definitions, identify the structure of incoming and outgoing messages. Graphical interface. Drag and drop editor simplifies mapping without extensive coding. Mapping functions. Perform data conversion, calculations, string manipulations, and conditional logic. Reusability. Mapping objects can be reused across multiple integration flows, flows. Error handling. Validate and transform data while handling exceptions to maintain data integrity. By mastering message mapping, SAP CPI users can ensure seamless data transformation and integration, enabling reliable communication between diverse systems and supporting complex business processes.
This conference will now be recorded.
So the on-premise application means we need to install some applications in our SAP GUI, and these application needs to install on a system and we used to run on our basic missions. But coming to cloud platform integration, yeah, it integrates in the cloud itself. So single sign, we can log in anywhere, any system, just a URL and credentials, like how we log in the Gmail accounts. So same way we can operate CPI also. So it's a cloud platform integrations, we can call it. So the day by day, it's so faster. I can say the generation and a lot of companies are looking for the options in the cloud platform integrations most of the times. So because what specialties we are having means we already have the predefined packages in CPI, so we can use to integrate with different systems. So Adush was saying he was integrating the success factor, so it is completely a HR integrations. Like that, we have lots of HR success factor integrations and customer experience, field glass, Concur, Ariba. So different transactions we can do, like orders, purchase orders or cash on deliveries, marketing or any finance. So we can integrate with different applications. So if you observe here, so these are the SAP applications. So we have a lot of we can integrate with pre-packaged structures we have, and we can integrate with the SAP things through non-SAP applications. So how it works like that? So here we have like a system. We can call it like a system, and here we can call it like a B system. So in between for these two systems, yeah, we are integrating with the CPI. So this connection is called like using a CPI connections, I can say. We'll make it bigger. We are establishing connectivity from one system to another system in this way. So it might be a SAP system or non-SAP system, or so any applications. So we are connecting in this way without transformations of the data and everything. So we are transforming like XML or JSON or CSV. Uh, we can transfer the data to one system to another system. So in this way, we will CPI works. So what is the specialty of these things is real-time transactions. We can do it at the same time. Yeah, we can see the track the data. So there are lots of feasibilities in the CPI. Mm, So here the basic transformation is how it does actually. So like we are all are aware like message mapping. So it's like a transformation of data logics. Anything if you want to maintain, we can use like a message mapping of the things, and we can do it. And integration advisor, it's for main purpose of integration advisor is for the ADI transactions. So we in PIP also we have a ANSI X12 AS2 adapters, these things for data transactions we'll use to do. So same like in CP also we have the future we are so integration advisor, so we're using that, yeah, we can do it that way. and API Business Hub. So if you want to integrate with the APIs, so sometimes we used to connect with the different third-party systems like using their API systems. So inbuilt APIs we have, or if you want to use the customization APIs, yeah, we can use it. And we have the SAP is having the API management, so we can send the data more securely using the API management also. So like non-SAP things, governments. So these are the things we have. So I will show you the basic how it looks, actually what it exactly does. So this is the way it looks like a CPI Cloud Platform Integration uh, home page, I can say. So it's a home page. So in CPI also we have two things. So one is like in CPI we have two things like on Neo environment and Cloud Foundry. Two environments. So CPI Neo and CPI Cloud Foundry. So you previously we all are using a Neo on tenants. So now also some of the clients are using a Neo tenant, and some people are migrating from Neo to Cloud Foundry. So what is the main difference here means they works both in same way, but thing is, yeah, some things bugs and everything was fixed by the Cloud Foundry, and it is a mission was working like a perfect. So exam that is a main, but they had some more adapters in Cloud Foundry and some more things they have overcome from the Neo and they have fixed in the Cloud Foundry. Mm, and SAP only Neo will support only SAP tickets. But if it is any customization or anything, there will be no much faster. But in Cloud Foundry, yeah, SAP team will works and the third party teams also will works with the Cloud Foundry. So and SAP was preferring to go with the Cloud Foundry only the tenants now. So if you observe this tenant, it's a Cloud Foundry. So we can directly it says like a integration suite and CF apps. So both these we can identify like oh it's a Cloud Foundry tenant. So every tenant will have a unique IDs and unique integrate. So what specialty we have? So like I said, right, we have a discover. In this we have pre-packaged contents. So we have a lot of packages. So we can use directly, and it reduces a lots of effort and time, and it can say like a automation object, just we need to establish a connectivity between source and target. So remaining anything if you go to inside, so this design was everything was done by SAP, so we can use this design if it matches to our requirements. So just we need to configure those sender and receiver adapters. So it's a simple so the design matches with the client requirements, yeah, we just needs to configure the URLs and what credentials we need to update. So these things. So it will decrease a lots of time, and it will be more easy way to access the systems anything. So this way we can have the lots of packages in Discover integrations. At the same time, if you go to here design, we have the design integrations for integration suites and API management and B2B scenarios, custom type scenarios, MIGs and MSs. So mostly if you want to develop any
Sorry, Rohit.
integrations, yeah.
Rohit, where we define this data type or all these things, mapping, transformation, or
Okay, so you are talking about the PIPO, right? So yeah, in the difference
Yeah.
main thing is in yeah PIPO we used to create a data type, message types, and service interface. There's a sequence steps for us. But coming to CPI, yeah, we won't create any data types and message types. We will directly just if you go to integration, if you create any package, integration flow. So yeah, it looks like this. So we need to import the structure. So usually we used to create data types like a manual structures in PIPO. But main thing is here, yeah, there is no option like creating a data type message types in CPI. We can directly take like a sender and receiver adapters will be like this. This is the first basic integration flow, and we can import the structures. So if most of the things, yeah. So if you see here, add there is a schema files, EDMX, WSDL, XSD. So whatever the structures they are giving, yeah, we need to ask them, and we need to import in these formats. If it's a EDMX, yeah, EDMX formats or WSDL format or XSD format. That's it. So we won't create. So
We
that
can
is a
only import.
it's Neha, right?
Yes, yes. Means we can
Yeah.
only import the Vistal or JSON format. We cannot create any data type or something.
No, we don't. That is not there in the CPI. Yeah, we can import the structures. And the things, yeah, in PIPO, we are maintaining every logics in the mappings. So whatever the structure was
Yes.
created, we used to maintain the logics in the mapping level. But in coming to CPI, yeah, we can maintain the logics, but in place of logics, maintaining the mapping, we can maintain here also outside using these palettes. So if you click on this, so there is a lot of palettes. So we going forward, yeah, we'll explain the each of the palettes, what is the useful and everything. So these palettes will be remain. We can maintain a lot of logics. No need to maintain all logics in the message mapping. So we can use the lot of logics using the palettes, and we can based upon the conditions, yeah, we can. And so in PIPO, what is the thing means we need to create a one software component and business, the regular system, business systems, and we need to enter into the one ESR things, and we need to create like two applications, ESR and ID part. We will create one application, download a Java application, and it will. But coming to CPI, yeah, no need to install any Java applications. It runs totally on the cloud based. So we can directly create an integration flow, and we this is the basic integration. And if we want to pass any data, yeah, we'll use this any transformation. We'll use the palettes. So these are the different palettes of the conditions we can maintain, and we can do the. So there is a thing in one single only we can see the design everything, and we will create. So if you want to, it's like a radium buttons, like a drag and drop. If you close here, okay. So once your connection was established, send it to start. So there is a adapters. We can choose whatever the adapters we have want to add it. So we can add it simply. If now I've taken HTTPS, if you want to go with the HTTPS, yeah. So again, it will ask adapters, receiver side, what adapter we want to choose. Yeah, we can choose. And this is the connectivity we established. and whatever the address you want to give, yeah, you can give your customization address, or if any third party address you want to maintain, yeah, we can maintain this way. And same way here also. So once we establish, yeah, we can deploy it and test the scenario its currently it is working or not. Any questions in design how these palettes or because compared to PIPO, yeah, CPI is a little bit different. No need to create the objects like a sequence order. We can create this way also, and it works easy way compared to PIPO. Any questions still here? Can I move forward?
So you mentioned there is a way to import a structure or something. So does that need to be created, or it will be some kind of a file upload, or a way to create a structure like a list of fields?
Okay, so as present generation of the clients and the different clients are using most of the times APIs. So when they APIs or anything, if they will have their own structure, so they can provide that structure and we can import directly. If not, they're
Okay.
asking us to,
Okay.
yeah. If not, they're asking us to
Okay.
create. So sorry, if you're asking any other question.
No, no, go on, go ahead, go ahead.
Okay, okay. So if they're asking any other structure to create by manually, yeah, we need to create using our Notepad plus plus. So creating a normal structure in XSD format. So there is an open source, but most of the times, yeah, client will share their structure schema files with us. And coming to SAP also, IDOC structure or anything, we can download that structure files and WSDLs or IDOC structures we can download in SAP also. The XSD schema was there in S4 HANA's we can, and we can import directly. So in this way we are using. So in PIPO, yeah, we used to create a manually, but coming to CPI, yeah, we need to get the structures from the whichever the source or target system clients are having. Any more?
Nothing for now. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
So can I go forward? Yeah, this is a design. Yeah, we can create a customization structures. So according to client requirements, so we can use these palettes. These are called as a palettes functions. So we based on these palettes functions like based upon the conditions we can. So coming to PIPO, we have like a little bit tricky to send the same message to the different receivers at a time. So we need to maintain every condition. So we can from coming to CPI, yeah, we can add it here and we can pass the same condition to next receiver based upon the conditions that way. It works, simplified the works are simplified much compared to PIPO. So I'm moving forward from design part to next.
And Rohit, one more thing. In PI, we have different node function, right? And many other function. So in CPI, we have all this function, or how is it?
Functions means you're talking about message node functions, right? Message mapping or
Yes,
node
yes.
functions.
Node
Yeah,
function.
we have.
Mm.
Yeah, in CPI also we have a message mapping. We have a node functions everything. So compared to that, yeah, we have one more thing like I shown you right palettes concept. So based
Yes,
upon
yes.
that, yeah, we can use the conditions. So yeah, so in PIPO we have options like of monitoring the things messages. So in CPI also we have that option. So monitoring the process, how many messages we have flowed in CPI. past 1 hour. If anything fails, it shows like a failed message or retry. So we can have a single page. We have all the things. So how many iflows has been deployed in message content. So it counts and everything shows. And coming to security wise, yeah, it's secure wise also it's good in CPI. So we can mention the security material. So we can deploy the credentials if you want, or if you want to create or anything what credentials, so we can create and we can deploy it here. And if you want to import any certificates, so you can import the certificates manually. You can create if you want to create, you can create. If you want to add any certificates, you can add it. And so you can do it in certificates also. So PGP keys and user roles. And so sometimes in CP in PIPO we have ping channel to check the connectivity is working or not. So same way in CPI also we have a connectivity to check the establishing connectivity was working or not. So SFTP connectivity or FTP connectivity, SMTP. So and cloud connector. Mhm. So these connectivities also we can check here in connectivity test using your CPI. So once you configure, if you want to check the connections are established or not, yeah, you can check it in this way. And if you want to get any system logs, so sometimes what happens when you're connecting to the SAP system or third party system, they used to say like a message was not reached, but here we have to we'll see like a message has been flowed. So that time we want to see exactly where it went wrong. So in that case, yeah, if you want to take the system logs, so you can get a detail where it went wrong. Like on CPI, it's processed, but somewhere in Cloud Connector or somewhere in Web Dispatch, or if anything failure has happened, if you want to more check the more details and share with the basis team to analyze more in that exactly which network, so we can that get that details exactly in the system logs. And message logs is like if anything, yeah, someone has been locked by some other design and you want to mm, open, you want to edit that design. If you want to unlock, yeah, you can unlock here. So this is the page we will get what are the messages has been flowing in the CPI. So end-to-end tracking. And if you want to maintain any credentials or things, so and if you want to check the connectivity and the CPI policies, and so these things will be, so how PIPO works, yeah, same thing will be working in CPI also in the monitoring page. Any questions in monitoring part? Are you guys good?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay, right. Okay. So in this difference, so in PIPO there is no concept like a cloud connector. So we have a concept in CPI like a cloud connector. So if you want to integrate any on-premise systems like SAP or some other on-premise systems, so they want to pass the data more securely. So in that place, yeah, Cloud Connector will be mm, introduced, and this main place point of the Cloud Connector is like interacting with multiple systems. So once we create, and if your CPI is there, only one tenant as a development. And if you want to interact two EC systems, yeah, using this cloud connector, we can easily configure the things and we can do it. So we can pass the data based upon that which system we want to trigger. From CPI, want to post a message to ECC, so we can do it. That is a main purpose. And if you want to maintain any other credentials, or if you want to generate a CPI, what credentials, these things, so we'll maintain everything in the cloud connector. So this is the one of the tenant was there. Yeah, going forward, yeah, I will show that tenant to you. Mm. So that is a one of the cloud connector part. And if you observe here, so APIs. So most of the now clients are preferring like APIs also. So APIs means it's like a secure way So most of the coming to integrating when the CPI, they want to post the data with securely and don't want to expose our CPI URLs directly to the end users. In that picture, yeah, we are using the APIs concept in the middle and some other source system to API and API to CPI and CPI to receiver system. So in this way we are using. So here also we can use like a REST or data services are there. So we can use and we can create a services for that API management for proxy type. Any questions till now? So yeah,
No,
so like I said, yeah, anyone saying something?
go ahead.
Okay. So, so this is the cloud connection, yeah, platform integration CPI. So we can integrate, like I said, right? We can integrate with the mobile apps or social networks or public authorities, on-premise apps and cloud apps. So we can integrate with any system easy way or like a single establishing a connectivity, and we have a secure way to process the data in the cloud CPI. And compared to others middlewares, so CPI is offering more pre-packaged content. So clients are interested to come with the CPI main purpose. This is the one, and we can create develop our own custom APIs and to generate the reports and these things also. It's very helpful for the clients to track the data, how many messages have been processing per day, hourly, weekly, monthly. They want to get a status. So these ways, and now everyone is moving to cloud in platform integration. Yeah, this is the one of the plus point for this to track them each and every message and secured way. And we have a plenty of options like a palettes to transform the data from one CSV to XML or XML to JSON or anything in this way. So this is the basic overview I want to explain you. So any questions you guys are having, you can ask me now. Mm, if you want. Okay. Let me tell you like what topics I will cover it in going forward sessions. Yeah. So introduction of CPI and what is the integration and middleware. What is CPI? What is CPI, SAP CPI certification strategy? And tenant and cloud cockpit and CPI tenants and so what how the data transformation was happening. So data like communications and different tools which were used in a hello CPI world and cloud connectors and so like I said palettes. So in the palettes these are the concepts are there. So these all things will be covered and basic knowledge on the Groovy scripts, how to create a exception handling will be explained and adapters of SOAP mail and OData, HTTP, SFTP. So yeah, some of the adapters yeah we can will cover in the adapters list and integrations like a monitoring like I showed you right. So in going forward yeah we will discuss more in detail how to establish these monitorings more in detail and how to track the things and security materials like how we will maintain that PGP keys certificates. mm, so these things public keys, so digital signature authentications, so these things and yeah real-time scenarios will be explain about end-to-end clients how we will interact and how we gather the requirements and what are the key things to ask them when starting the interaction with the clients with any new projects and what how to handle the if any critical issue comes. So these things and monitoring of SAP CPI and real-time business scenarios. So these are the contents will share by Shiva with you. So these topics will be covered once the session starts about the CPA completion end to end. Any questions now? Yeah, you can ask me, or you guys are.
What you'll learn in this video. In this demo session, you will get a clear and practical introduction to SAP CPI, Cloud Platform Integration, and understand how it is used in real-world business environments. The session begins with an overview of SAP CPI and its role in connecting cloud, on-premise, and third-party systems seamlessly. You will learn the basic architecture of SAP CPI, including how integration flows, flows, are designed and executed. The demo also covers an introduction to message mapping, explaining how data is transformed between different source and target systems. Key integration components such as adapters, routing, and monitoring are explained with simple, real-time examples. This session gives you exposure to live SAP CPI tools, helping you understand how integrations are built, deployed, and monitored in a practical environment. You will also gain insights into error handling and security basics, ensuring reliable and secure data transfer. By the end of the demo, you will have a strong understanding of SAP CPI fundamentals, real-time use cases, and how this course can help you build a successful career in cloud integration. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for taking the time to watch our SAP CPI online training demo. We hope this session gave you a clear understanding of how SAP Cloud Platform Integration works and how it plays a vital role in connecting cloud and on-premise systems in real-world business scenarios. In this demo, you got a glimpse of our training approach, practical explanations, and real-time examples designed to help you learn SAP CPI effectively. Our goal is to provide industry-relevant knowledge that builds confidence and prepares you for live project requirements and career opportunities in cloud integration. If you found this demo helpful and want to explore SAP CPI in greater depth, our complete course covers flows, message mapping, adapters, security, error handling, monitoring, and certification preparation with hands-on training. Interested in the full course or next demo session? Ready to take the next step in your SAP CPI career? Turn your learning into real-world expertise with our SAP CPI online training. Expert-led live sessions, hands-on practical training, real-time integration scenarios, certification and career guidance.